Good evening and welcome. Tonight, more proof emerges that the Mumbai police had tried to desperately cover up the mysterious death of Disha Salian. As you already know, Sushant had information on Disha and had received a call from her just before she died. Sushant was disturbed about it, and there are corroborative testimonies that he wanted to do a press conference on it. And then he died. He was killed. The new proof today, along with call detail records, show that Riya and Siddharth Pithani stopped all non-encrypted voice calls to communicate between themselves from the 10th of May, and I have all the call detail records. And this happened that they switched from non-encrypted to encrypted calls 34 days before Sushant was killed. Earlier, they had made 230 calls in a 10-month period on non-encrypted lines. What were Riya and Pithani plotting in private that they were worried would compromise them on non-encrypted voice calls? Now, viewers, these are specific questions that are among hundreds in our Republic investigation. So I don't understand why Sharad Pawar called Sanjay Raut of the Shiv Sena to take action against me. Raut, who's some kind of a right hand to Uddhav Thackeray, gleefully wrote that Sharad Pawar called him to ask him to tell Uddhav Thackeray to stop me. Now, Mr. Pawar, hear me loud and clear, Mr. Sharad Pawar, and I'll take my time to say this. Mr. Sharad Pawar, if you have a problem, then you call me. You have my number. Why are you calling Sanjay Raut? Sanjay Raut says that you, Mr. Pawar, think that I am threatening Uddhav. No, I'm not. Uddhav has allowed the greatest botch-up any police force has done. And your government, Mr. Sharad Pawar, is behaving like Riya Chakrabarti's lawyers and Riya Chakrabarti's spokespersons. And since you have now gone public with your intention of misusing your government to block me, let me tell you, Mr. Sharad Pawar, that you have made your intentions public. You intend, along with the Shiv Sena, to misuse your state power to try and block the Republic Media Network, which your government did in the Palghar case. Only, and let me say my piece now, I want the graphics off air. Only, Mr. Sharad Pawar, Sanjay Raut has published details of your phone conversation with him. So, Mr. Sharad Pawar, I am addressing you tonight. Since your conversation details have been made public, the ball is in your court. Go ahead. Get together with all your party and coalition folk and block me. Mr. Pawar, your ally, the Vadra Congress, has already physically attacked me, and you filed false cases. You misused the police. Then too, and remember, Mr. Pawar, you lost. You lost. So you can go do what you want. I will not pull back on Sushant. We have done the right thing. Public opinion is against your government, Mr. Thackeray and Mr. Pawar. Your affidavits match Riya's. The whole country is asking you, Mr. Pawar and Mr. Thackeray, why Riya Chakrabarti feels secure only and only if your police investigates her. And now that the Shiv Sena has made your conversation public, Mr. Pawar, I give you two choices. Choice one, that you accept that you call the Shiv Sena to organize a government-sponsored attack on me and on Republic. Option two, issue a denial of that phone call. There are no other choices anymore. There is no third choice for you, just as there is no looking back for me or for anyone in my team in the Sushant case.